Hi there, this is Michelle Michael of www.spreadsheetyogi.com. I'm here today to talk about how to link sheets in Excel and also how to link across workbooks. So I pulled up an example here of sales tracking, and here on the first tab I have January and the products sold in January and the net sales for each product. On the next tab it's February, so this is just going by month, the same products, and then the net sales for each product in February. Next tab is March, same deal, the amount of sales for each item in March. And lastly, I'm putting together a quarterly summary where I'm going to link those together in the summary on this sheet. So you've got the same products. I'm going to be pulling in the values for January, February, March, and then I'll have the totals over here. And I've already got the formulas plugged in for the totals, so as soon as we put in the values, totals should appear. So let's look at how to link the values for January. So I'm going to go over to the January tab, and notice all of these sheets have the products in the same order. So when I copy the sales values over, they're going to be in the right order. Alright, so I'm just going to copy the values for January, right click and copy. I'm going to go over to quarterly summary, and it's kind of like copy and paste, but it's a special paste. So I'm going to click on the first cell where I want the January stuff to be populated. Right click and choose Paste Special. This pulls up the Paste Special dialog. You can ignore all this stuff and just look down in the bottom. There is a button for Paste Link, and that's what we want to do. We want to paste a link back to the January tab or the January sheet. So press Paste Link and it should pull it in. So if you click on one of these values and look in the formula bar, you'll see it's referencing the January sheet on cell B4 in this case. So each one of these references the January sheet. Let's do February the same way. So I'm going to go over to February, the February sheet, copy the values, well, copy the cells, come back, tell it where I want them to start here in the February column, and go to Paste Special. Again, we're just doing a paste link, so it's going to paste a link to the values in the February sheet or the February tab. Again, if I click on one of these values, look in the formula bar, I can see that this is indeed referencing the February sheet. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and do March, same way, copy, go over to quarterly summary, and paste special, paste link. Cool, and just double checking, yes, that is referencing the March sheet. Nice, so all of these are referencing sheets, and the totals automatically filled in. Wonderful. Now, if I were to find out that in March, item C actually had $1,000 worth of sales, then you can go over to the March tab. Let me get rid of this copy mode and update item C so that it's 1,000, as we just found out $1,000 were made in March. So that's the original value has been updated, and if we go back to quarterly summary, it should show an updated value because it's just referencing the one we just changed. Good. So that is the value of linking, is that you don't have to keep values in sync. It automatically does it for you. You just have to remember which one's the original and always update the original. Then anything that's linking back to it is going to automatically update. So the same thing could be done for linking across workbooks. So say I had another workbook and I had some information I wanted to paste from that workbook into this one and have them automatically update, then I could use the same process of copy, paste special, paste link, and it would actually copy it from that other workbook to this workbook. So that is possible to do, but The downside of it is when you go across workbooks like that, all of a sudden your Excel spreadsheets get really slow, like painful slow. So I really don't recommend doing that. It's better just to keep your information in one sheet. You can add one workbook. You can add multiple sheets in your workbook, and you can have really large tables. All that's fine. But don't recommend linking across workbooks. So to summarize how you link across sheets or across workbooks, you're going to just do a copy, a paste special, and you're going to click on paste link. And that's going to keep your information in sync as long as you're updating the original.